I will give you the report for this very soon, guys, when the weather is permits me to go out, because right now, especially today, it's really cold. It's been snowing on and off today, but the snow is not enough to cold enough to stay longer on the ground. So anyway, let's go dive into the second purchase that we're going to unbox, and this is from Alsa as well, that I ordered just recently and came Tuesday last week. So we will see now. Let's go ahead. Let's dive into this. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. So anyway, first, I love headphones. I'm using my Apple EarPods right now, but the problem is that this one gives my ears the allergy. I get irritated, my skin inside. So because I cannot use this long enough time, like more than an hour, and then after that it's get irritated. So even though I cleaned up with the antibacterial wipes, and then soak a little bit of alcohol on the wet wipes, but it still gives me the allergy. I don't know, it's the only AirPods like this that gives me the allergy. So I don't know what's in the material in this, but I don't want to use it long enough time, like more than an hour, so that for me to get the allergy. So I have another headphone that I just bought recently on December, and that broke. I like this headphone because it's wireless, but the problem is that it broke down like this. This is the one I bought just recently on Christmas. It's because it's too much pulling on my head, and I guess it's time to die. But still working though. I just don't know how to work on it, because first one, it broke the side here, so I put a scotch tape around the area. And then like last week, this one broke as well. So I said I put another scotch tape in there, but it seems like it's not gonna work, because the edge of this one here is the problem, and I cannot salvage it anymore. So but still work. I might bring this one to any shop that could help me fix this. This is not cheaper though. It's quite expensive, but I don't know why the hardware is not good enough to last long. So it's just sad that I broke this. It's really bad. I like this one because it's wireless. I can listen music to it, even because even if I am far from my phone or from my desktop, I can wash dishes, I can cook with this. But the problem is I cannot use it anymore because it's too much falling from my head. That's caused this it died. So last weekend, last Sunday, I went to the online shop and look for a good headphone that first doesn't, I don't need to push the AirPods inside my ear hole. So when I found this one, it gives me it provides a good reviews. So I just want to try this, and I found this one. It is TRUEWINGS, so you can just hook it on your ears in the back side, and it doesn't need to go really inside. So, and you don't have the worries of dropping it. because it seems like quite big enough to notice it. So we will see. The name is again TRUEWINGS, and the sound for urban sports. It is a water resistance and sports twist earbuds, and it's a 20 hours of working time, so you charge it, and then it's good for 20 hours. And then it's an auto fairing, wireless, and ear-hook design, diaphragm drivers, and 13 meters of transparency mode. It's so it's at 13.6 meters, so you can use this while you're still away. You don't need really to be next to your gadgets. You can just leave, you can listen to your computer, and you still can do your house chores while having while wearing this one. So that's good. I went to this one and open this. I've been itching to open this really and use it, but I was thinking, like, why not unbox that and do a vlog about it. So we will see. So again, I bought this at Alza, and I'm gonna give you the link for that. Oh, this is what's inside. Oh, again, it's in the box. It's so exciting. It looks nice. And there's this time. So when you charge it, because there's a cable charger, a cable plug there, so you could just charge it with inside the box. It's like charging this one, my Apple AirPods, and this is how it looks like when you open it. So wow, it's so nice. It's so cool. Darn it, I love it. But just looking at it, I love it already. And also the case, can you see? It's so cool. So let's see. Oops, don't break it, baby. So remove me this. There's a sticker inside. So it's like rubber, and it's foldable. So that's the good thing, because it's actually generally can put it on any size of ears. I have a small ear, so this would work, I'm sure. It's rubbery, and oh my god, oh boy, this is the inside. It's really nice. We will see now if it works. This is really hard to know which one is the left and which one is the right. Either, right? So it's like this. I have my AirPods in there, my Apple AirPods. You can see that. Oops. Oh. So there. Oh, it's really nice. Oops, I heard something. It's talking. So yeah. So this is it. It's really nice. I like it already. Love it, actually. So we will see. I will try it on later. So that's all for This one, I really love the case, the hard case. To put it back. So that's and this is the case in this. So we'll just put it there for now. Mega love shout out, mega love shout out to all my members in my channel. Carla Key World, Rovi Kalak, Viva Frances, Rosemary Rodichki, Lily 13, and then also the Nistyle Ideng, one of the admins in my frame list team. Thank you so much. And also Daxria's channel. The last one is Aswang OSW. Thank you so much, guys, for being part as my members in my YouTube channel. And the last one, this one, I've been waiting for this. And mega love shout out to Viva Princess. She's the one who gave me the inspiration of getting this, because she had a premiere about this that she purchased just recently on her premiere. And this one is an Osmo Mobile 3. It's a tripod with the trick. And this tripod has a storage pouch, the wrist strap, the Osmo Mobile 3, and a power cable. And what is this one means, I will give you the review for that as well. So let's go ahead, let's go dive into this. Talking baby. So this one, it's really nice. It's quite heavy though. I think this is like... Thank you so much for watching this video and for all your supports and your time and effort. I appreciated it a lot. And for all the admins and the members, thank you so much for tuning in there. And mabuhay po kayong lahat. God bless you guys. Bye! Legal Matters with Jens. Signed out.